bipolar 1 manic episode or mental disorders, mental disease as a whole.
There's no way to not be angry after a while.
Here I go. How many women have you got pregnant?
You know what?
Dude, you must be incredibly inquisitive. Thank you for balancing this show out, you know?
This was a complete disaster.
And the ideology behind having such a guest.
Not really teach, but just, man, I think you are extraordinary, my friend. And I've seen a number of people discuss in forums, interactive platforms where people would actually discuss in your show and how extraordinary, the Jeff Richards show is, how extraordinary. Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
Boy, killing it, boy.